Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change account in Microsoft Teams. I'll also be showing you how to add another account in Microsoft Teams. I'll be explaining the situation on your laptop computers, but first of all I'll show you how to do it on your mobile devices with the app version. So on your phone, click the top left hand corner, we see the three little lines. That will bring up this menu right here where you'll see account and org. So you can just click on that to log into them, or if you don't have any other accounts there, click add account with that plus button. Then you will go ahead, and if you have Microsoft accounts already on there, you'll be able to click on them and log in. If not, you can sign in with another account by clicking that. But now on your laptop computers, go to the top right hand side of the screen as you see me doing, that little circle with a person in it, click there. For this, unfortunately, it's not the same thing as the app version. You'll have to just sign out for this. So click sign out there. Then you'll be able to log in with another account. So that's how you switch it. It's not the same type of thing. I know it's a bit annoying, but that's the only way you can do it. So if this did help you out, leave a like on the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on the Microsoft Teams app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.